Hello and welcome back to LearnWire. In today's video, we're going to be checking out Email Writer. I've got premium access to the software right here. I can show you that right now. Premium access, so we won't be limited by a trial version in this review, which is pretty cool. But first, let's see who our winner of our drawing is. If you want a chance to learn about how to make videos extremely fast using artificial intelligence software. That's from writing the script, doing the voiceover, and doing the video, all using AI software. Then you can check out the link below to my brand new course right here. It's selling for $59. We've got our first review at 5 stars, but you can actually win this for free. And all you have to do is, on this current video you're watching, all you have to do is just leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to leave a comment, not a reply, but a comment, a fresh comment on this video. The winner is revealed in the next video, and the winners just need to email me at learnwirereviews@gmail.com. Let's go in real quick to our last video, which was the Typely review. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to push pause here. We can actually see the interaction, a lot of comments, so pretty awesome stuff. I'm going to grab the URL and place it in here, and we're going to go fetch. I'm going to take off replies and push continue, and it loaded 12 comments. Pick a winner, and here we go. So Boop Review. So Boop Review, you won the drawing today. So really glad I watched this. Was just about to purchase it, but will think again. Thumbs up. So awesome. I'm glad that the reviews are helping you guys make informed decisions on the softwares that you want to pick up for your business. So Boop Review, all you have to do is email me at learnwirereviews@gmail.com, and I'll get you access to the course. So let's jump into Email Writer. I'm actually happy I was able to shave off 2 minutes from the last video doing that introduction. So I will try to keep it at 2 minutes or less, guys, so you guys know that the entire intro will not just be talking about the contest and all that stuff. So thank you guys for bearing with me as I'm new to running a contest on a YouTube channel. It'll get faster each video, I believe. And it is really helping. So I really appreciate your guys' support and appreciate all the interaction, the engagement on the videos, and it is really helpful. So thank you so much, guys. All right. So we're in Email Writer. It starts at $59, and we're going to go just cruise through here. It's saying that funnel scripts. I've actually used funnel scripts or automatic scripts. I do remember using one of those where you can create emails and sales pages and all kinds of things very, very fast by just typing in some things about your business, and then it spits out some scripts. And then Jarvis and Copy AI. Now, I'm not sure, based on what I've seen and watched a tutorial video, if Jarvis and Copy should be thrown in here, because that is full-blown AI writing right there. And the way that this software works, from what I've seen, is you input stuff and then it just kind of changes the templates that are based on the system. But we will check all that out. Just cruise through here. Now they're giving you lifetime access. They're giving you the premium plan. I'm going to show you how good the premium plan actually is. It's really, really good. The email, you can stack up to 3 codes. It's GDPR compliant, and only a new email writer user gets this deal. 1,500 pre-made swipe emails right now, and you can translate in a lot of languages. Unlimited save projects. So they're giving you a lot in this $59 deal. Now you can have up to 3 sub users right here. And now one of the things that separates the single user, I think if you're a solopreneur checking out everything, the single plan will be more than enough for you to write email sequences on a daily basis for your business. Most of you will only need the $59 plan. Now, I would only recommend jumping to the multiple plan and the 30 premium plan sub accounts to resell. So you can actually resell this with 30 premium plan sub accounts, and you can make back your money that you invest into this. So you can actually sell these for $60 or $100, these sub accounts, to your audience if you have an audience, and make back your money. So that's pretty cool. But most of you, just the $59 will work. Now, something else to focus on. This software's only been out for like a week and a half, maybe. It already has 70 reviews. It's holding 5 stars. And I like to come through here and just see what the engagement of the founder is see if they're answering all the questions. I like to come over here to questions, and I like to see they are answering all of the questions. Even today, they've already answered questions on December 27th. So they're answering all the questions in here. They're very engaged with the community on Appsumo. I really like to see that. And then I go to reviews, and I like to go to ascending right over here. And I like to see what any negative reviews. And look, they only have, this is a duplicate review actually. So they have 1 4-star, 1 4-star, and everything else 68 5-star taco reviews. So pretty dang cool stuff. If we jump over to the website real fast, you will see the different pricing. And they're giving you the premium account right here. You would normally have to pay $69 per month for this plan. But if you pick it up right now, lifetime deal, you pay one time. You get all the premium plan features right here, okay? Which is super, super good. And you pay less than you would actually pay on a monthly basis over there. So, just kind of a comparison. So you can pay $59 one time, never have to pay again, right? Let's just look at it in a 1-year aspect. If you take $59 and you divide it by 12 months, you would pay $4.91 for the software this year on a monthly basis, right? So if you paid $69, which is someone that finds their website today and doesn't know about Appsumo, it would be 69 times 12, and you would pay $828 for the software to use it for a year. So you almost can't even compare the pricing. So it's a no-brainer when it comes to that. We're gonna get right into the software now, okay? So we are right here. We are logged into the software, and the menu items are on the left side. Pretty cool. And you can actually get rid of you can kind of make the screen bigger by clicking this icon up here, this hamburger icon up here. If you need help, easy way to get help over here, you can see your history over here, save projects, create projects, personal templates. And on the premium plan, you can actually create your own personalized script templates and all that good stuff. Here's where you would add your users. So we'd click over here on users, and then you would come in here. If you wanted to add someone, you would just say add users. So we would just click on add user. We'd put their email address in, this is going to be, the main part right here. The email address is going to be the most important. Emain address, not really sure if they meant to say email or emain, but that's kind of funny. Team right, I'm not sure what that means either, but then you have, let's see, training. I like to go in and check out the training real quick. So it looks like they have 3 videos right here. On the training section, you can check out my profile, another contact button. So there's 2 places to get in contact. That's great. You can always get in touch with them. And then if we click back up over here on the dashboard, they also have the welcome. This will get you going. This explains everything in about a 5-minute video on how to get started. So 4 total tutorial videos, pretty cool stuff. Let's go ahead and jump in and create a done for you sequence real quick and see how that works. So done for you sequence. Now look, they have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, about 27 different industries right now, and they're continuing to add to it. So, you have review, testimonial, feedback, you have business to business and copywriting. If you're reaching out, selling, article writing, services to websites, they also have a full-blown email sequence for that. They have self-help, real estate, video creation. If you're creating videos, marketing videos, then they have one for that as well. They have website design, cold emails, graphic design. So they really have thought of most of the big industries. And if you're selling a software to small businesses, you have that. You have e-commerce. You have dating and relationships, weight loss, beauty and skincare, health and fitness, coaching and consulting, webinars, all kinds of good stuff. I'm going to come in here and actually look at the affiliate marketing or the make money online niche. These are emails that you can use to promote affiliate offers. These are different emails types that you can use to promote any make money online. Okay, so we'll just click on the affiliate marketing. And then it takes you over to this screen over here where you can do welcome emails, promotional emails, soap opera email sequence, re-engagement, and sign-filled emails. Super cool. Let's go with some soap opera real quick. I'm going to click on that and give your project a name. So Okay, so how to create YouTube videos fast using AI software. We'll just use that as an example. The project name has been created, and here we go. So we have the series topic. The summary is this is a sequence of story-based emails you can use to create drama, build suspense and anticipation, and ultimately make your readers like, trust, and want to buy what you have to offer. So this one comes up with day 2, day 3, 4, 5. So it gives you 7 emails, a nice email follow-up series. You know what's cool? You could actually, because these are going to be unique after you fill in the blank. So you could actually get this information from people and sell this as a service. You could actually sell creating these emails and then sell these emails, be an email copywriter. So really cool. And so forth. So day 1, let me help you. So right here, let me help you. So you could get rid of day 1 of day 7 if you wanted to, or, if you're having people sign up and maybe they're signing up to a 7-day tips based email project. If not, then you could just get rid of the day 1 through 7, but we're just this is anything that's in brackets that's highlighted is what you're really going to want to change, right? So I'm going to go over here and let me help you make videos fast using AI. Okay, something like that. Now, hi first name, this, and if you don't have first name, if you just have email, then you would just come in here and just delete that real fast, no problem. So so there should be a place where we can actually adjust the sender name right off the bat. So where is that on this? I know on the other side, your email swipe is ready, edit and update to save personal swipe. Not really sure where that is, but we'll go ahead and just say right here, I'm just going to put David, and you're going to go in here. First off, I want to congratulate you for requesting and getting access to and so this could be AI video creation tips series. Okay, and then right here, the inner circle is where I share everything I learned about the, you can just put right here, YouTube industry. All right, and then we just keep going through here and right here. So this one's going to take probably 20 minutes to fill out, right? I could put David right here, and I consider myself just an average guy who happened to discover some rather unique right here, right? YouTube secrets that have been hidden from the general public for a long time. There was a mistake right there, but you want to read through this obviously and fix any errors. Luckily, if you have Grammarly installed up here, which is a widget, then it's going to point out little things too that you might want to correct as well. So pretty cool. So you're going to just go through here. My own struggle to blank started a long time ago. So right here, my own struggle to create YouTube videos started a long time ago, and it's been a roller coaster of a ride, but well worth it. My mission now is to help you achieve your own, like right here, a video creation or make money on YouTube goals or something like that, right? So you're going to go through here, and anything in yellow, you're going to go and actually fill out. So it's actually pretty cool, and you can take out sentences, add sentences, but it gets you a really good start. Then we go to email sequence 2, hi first name. I promise to tell you how you can make a ton of videos in a short amount of time, right? That's where you put that. You see, I haven't always been a YouTube pro or YouTube coach or expert, right? Instead, I used to struggle with making money on YouTube. The result, to make matters worse, I started, but you can easily fill this out. It tells the story for you. So pretty cool stuff. You could come in here and spend, 20 or 30 minutes, and you'd have and this would take hours if you didn't have this already. Okay. So we can come through here, and then when you're done, you could just push save, and we're going to go and check out. So that's how you would do kind of like your own, and it just depends on what style you want to look for, right? And they have some really good story type emails going on in here. And you start building a relationship with your subscriber because you're telling stories. You're not just selling to them. You're actually like kind of telling them a little bit about your experience and your life. And that's a style. It's a type of style of email writing, and copywriters swear by that style. So you can go back. I'm going to go back into the done for you sequence one more time and just look at, let's go back into the affiliate marketing one. And let's go into sign fill. So all these other ones are going to be, I just want to see what you can get over here. I'm just going to say test and push continue. Give your project a name. Okay. So done for you daily sign fill email sequence. So who's in your corner when it comes to, making money on YouTube or whatever I'm using that as an example, right? And, then you would come down. So hello, first name. Do you know the all-time American professional golfer, Tiger Woods? In 2019, he sat down with 30 minutes, with 60 minutes, Tara Brown for one of his most emotional, revealing interviews yet. During the interview, Tara asked Tiger Woods a very unique and important question. She asked, were you pushed to become a champion? Tiger, on the other hand, answered, no. He said, and I quote, becoming a champion doesn't work that way. You can't push someone into that position. They have to enjoy it. So it just keeps going. And that's my point here. And it takes a great cornerman to guide you to the greatness. This is the truest career, business, and personal life advice you'll ever get. And it's no different when it comes to, like right here, making money with SEO. And you know what? There's no better cornerman to help you succeed in the SEO industry other than blank, right? So then you can start building this product up, product name. It's going to help you right here. You can use, fill out those and put your affiliate link in right here. And there you go. Okay. So you could just, pick any of these emails out. Okay. So that is really, really cool. Let's go back into create new projects and go to custom sequence. So it's going to be set up a little bit differently. Let's go in here and let's use weight loss for fun. So we're going to use weight loss, and you have these different types, right? And again, over here we have story-based Seinfeld type. We have the soap opera type, promotional email scripts, and the list nurturing relationship building email. Super cool, right? Re-engagement scripts. Let's go with promotional email scripts right here. Say there's a product that just came out, and you have an email list and the weight loss niche. What's the name of the sender of this email? I'll just put David. What is the name of your weight loss brand? Okay, let's just go with fat diminisher. What is the name of the product service you want to promote? Weight loss secret code. I'm going to put in the prompts in here to make it faster for you guys, because it really doesn't matter what the product is called, because you can change that, right? What type of product do you want to sell to your subscribers? So we have an ebook, a supplement, a physical product. Let's say this is a video course. Okay. Your product is in what niche or category? So this one is weight loss. What result does your target audience desire? Gain the celebrity's kind of body. Gain a beach body with abs or something, right? And then what is the number one specific result? Lose excess weight. Okay. And then mention the second specific result, and get a beach body before summer, right? This is perfect for like January, February, March, because it's not summertime yet, but that people can be working on that, right? So I'm going to push the next button, and we're going to come through here, and I'm just going to kind of pause the video while I fill this stuff out. Okay, so we filled out the second page. Took about maybe 3 minutes. I'm going to push the next button and fill out the rest of this really quick. Let's just say, are you offering a discount? Okay. So, a lot of times it's like a 50% discount when a product launches. Will this work for me? Alrighty, so we filled out page 3. You can see some of the answers. Pause the video if you want to, and I'm going to say create email sequence. So it's going to go out there and it's doing this live. Let's see how fast it is. It's really fast. Took about, 3 or 4 seconds. All right, so with series topics, promotion email scripts, and here we go. Email 1 would be weight loss secret code, the only weight loss video course that you won't fail you. So, hey Jack, if you're like most overweight men and women and you want to finally lose weight, so you would probably, I don't know, target men or women, or you could just say overweight people. And you want to finally lose weight and get on a lean figure that gets people to start admiring you wherever you go, then you've got to pay attention. There's a brand new solution called Weight Loss Secret Code that reveals a unique way to finally lose weight without difficulties. Weight Loss Secret Code is a newly launched weight loss video course that allows you to lose excess weight and get a beach body before summertime in as little as 21 days. What that means is that if you're currently frustrated about your weight or spending hours in the gym with no results to show, and you've tried every possible solution that came your way without any positive result, then Weight Loss Secret Code is for you. But before I dive in to tell you more about Weight Loss Code, click to take advantage of the early bird discount when you sign up. Here's the full scoop. After so many years of helping people to lose weight, John Nelson has decided to share his unique weight loss technique with the general public. The unique weight loss video course has already helped to so many overweight men and women to gain a beach body. So that worked really, really well. Overweight men and women to gain a beach body with abs without subjecting them to difficult workout section or eating boring foods with not. So that part right there, I put that in with no taste or flavor. So I probably wrote half of this, and then it puts it into this very high quality sentence structures with highly professional copywriting, but then you get to fill out the rest of it. So far, this is an extremely impressive software. I've used other ones like this before. I've also used softwares that I've literally had to get a refund on immediately that were template based like this. But this one is like, I have not seen one this high of quality. All the sentences make complete sense, and it's just great. So, but John Nelson has simplified everything by revealing his top weight loss secrets inside Weight Loss Secret Code today. And best of all, he's offering and giving it a 50%. Okay, so you'll learn little things about the software too, right? You don't need to put the percent sign in when you're filling out the questionnaires because it already is set up like that. To anyone who gains access to it, here's another link to it, to your weight loss success, David. P.S. In my next email, I'm going to share some benefits of Weight Loss Secret Code, so you'll have a better understanding of the exact thing you're getting. Before then, kindly go here and check it out. So it wasn't super pushy, and there was some affiliate links in here. You gave it all the information you needed to. Just really, really impressive. You guys can pause this. I'll scroll through here, and you guys can pause some of the text that is coming out in the email sequences. Did you see Weight Loss Secret Code, the weight loss video course I told you about yesterday? If yes, did you check it out to see how much it can help you lose weight? In case you didn't, I highly recommend it. Boom, just as I promised. And so what you can do is you could also mix these. Okay. So I'm going to scroll through here. You guys can pause the video. This is extremely high quality. I'm seeing how I can actually use this and sell the services to people that want emails written. You could charge $100 and sell this 7 emails sequence, $50, $100. Now, another thing, so these ones are going to be pretty salesy. This one is not. There's a huge email right here, and then there's only one link to it, right? So in this one, you have a question answer. That's cool. This one's a question answer based, right? And every one of these is a promotional, I'm going to say, update changes. And then over here, I want to show you guys this guy, translate email. You can translate this into a ton of languages. Super cool. I'm going to say update now. One other thing, I want to see export. If I push the export button, You can export this into an autoresponder with, dang, okay, that's awesome. PDF, doc, collaboration. You can actually share this with someone and you just put your email in right there. Autoresponder. Okay, so VBout is an autoresponder, so that's the one that they're integrated with. I'm sure this is a startup. I'm sure they're going to integrate with GetResponse and Aweber and all the popular ones, right? But you can export this and you would just export it as a doc. One other thing I wanted to see, so I'm not really sure. So you have the link button, right? So let's see, where's the link button? That might just be blue because that's where you're going to update them when you actually export this, because I'm not seeing. You can insert a media, background color, insert a link. Okay, so you would just highlight that, insert the link. Yeah, okay. And then this is where you put your affiliate link and push save. So you would, while you're doing this, you would update all those links and every single one of those emails. Okay, let's go check out what the document looks like real quick. Okay, so I'm not, that is not very useful if it's going to be bunched up like that. So that did not work too well. The doc, that's something I would just reach out to support and say, hey, you know, when we export this to doc, then that's, you know, what ends up happening. This is what ends up happening. So let's say export and let's go just PDF and see if that happens. So the PDF didn't work. I don't know if it was trying to gather that and it just didn't download, but those are just some little things. They're actually really not too bad, because what you really would do is just open up in another tab. I use GetResponse, and you would just log in. You would have your email sequence, and you would just come in here and just do a Control-A, Control-Copy, and then paste, which is going to be very organized even just from this screen using it like this. Now if you're selling these, that's where you would want it to probably export correctly into a document. So that's something I would just reach out to support. So So that's it. And then you can come in here, and I would just love to check out some of the other ones, but I don't want this review to get too long. We're already approaching 30 minutes, so I can't show you guys anymore. I might have to make another video. Leave a comment below. Maybe that's one of the comments you guys can leave if you want me to even show you more of the templates in here, right? I already pushed save. So, the custom sequence templates, I wanted to check more of these out. Even inside of the weight loss one, we used which one? Promotional emails, right? But I would want to look at the list nurturing, sequence, you know, just emails that when you just don't have any products to sell or anything, and then you just want to, send out emails, to your list. Then you have, you know, you could do this other stuff like give a short bio about yourself. So, this is just, maybe those emails where you just want to build that relationship or something like that. So they really have thought of a lot of things inside the software. I really do give this a 2 thumbs up. Absolutely great software. You can go and pause the video and read the output. As long as you focus, 10, 15 minutes filling all this out. Honestly, it's going to take you 20 minutes to really fill all these pages out. You can see how many pages there are based on this. There's 3 dots right here. And so what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's about 8, 16, 20. So between 20 and 30 questions you're going to fill out. It's going to take you 20 minutes or so, but then you're going to have an amazing email sequence that makes sense, is well formatted, and you're ready to go. Like I said, you can sell these services and professionally, or you can use them in your own business. So if you want to go pick this up, you obviously want to go pick this up from Appsumo and pick up one of these lifetime deals. 59 is going to be probably the most common. It's going to give you unlimited emails anyways. But the amount of sub users and agency type stuff, it gets more exciting as you go up to double and multiple. This is a great deal. I would recommend this product based on what I saw in the review today. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment on this video to enter to win my brand new course. Make sure to tune in to the next video to see if you are the winner. Until next time, I'll see you soon.